5/16. What? Shut up. Food.
Sketchier as frig. It's a pity I didn't have any charcoal up my butt. Could have made some diamonds. Now, for the male predilection the world over, how to get it off.
Oh, I'll get it off.
Wearing a mask. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's because we're individuals capable of making adult decisions without the need for a governing body. What's your problem? So basically you saying that the lives of your employees don't matter. What, is he retarded? Of course they don't matter. We inhale brake parts cleaner while using Harbor Freight jack stands. Now stop being salty.
Oh, what do I get for lunch? Hey, honey. Wait, I'm not married. Okay, gotta have sugar. Okay, sugar. I can't see. Whatever. That's. Ah, yes. All right. That's dripping. Yeah, whatever. Fuck it. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, hi. I'm glad I caught you.
5 a.m. Are you stalking me?
Can you take a look at my car? I just can't seem to get it started. Well, you're a mechanic, right? You do this, it's no big deal.
I'll help you, Jesus.
Pelican.
Oh.
Yo, you're late! Get your ass back to work! I don't care about no fucking excuses! I hired you to do some work here!
That's because
so
of
get your filthy ass and pick up a wrench! Got it? That's
boss.
right!
Last time I ever helped anybody. Where's my 10mm?
Oh. Come on, get off! Yeah! I need a bigger gun. Who took my 10? What the hell, man? I told you to recharge my battery. Oh, man. This is my 10mm? Mine now. How come trannies are always greasy and dirty? That's okay. As long as it's not a trap. Ah, who am I kidding? The only hard steel I got is in my toolbox. Oh yeah, we like them with the big rear end. That's one fat ass. I just lost my freaking thing. And here I am, like a freaking Bruce Willis in Die Hard. Hey, it's almost Thanksgiving and I already know what the turkey feels like. Ah, my hair. Fuck. Oh God, there's a spider in my mouth. I'm not a funny guy. I just got a funny life. Hey Larry, what you doing tonight? Oh yeah? Ha! I got me a hot date. Oh yeah, she's picking me up. Hey Larry, think I'm good? Oh, it's okay, cause I already got my nice shirt underneath this. I'm you know. Date night. got a whip because I got the chains, baby.
Oh yeah. Nice and soft. Where's the nipple? How come this one has hair on it? Yeah. I don't think I like nipples anymore, boss.
Oh, God, my foot. Oh. Some help? No, that's okay. I got it.
God damn it, I'm like a fucking turtle. I can't get up.
I need a stud. Yeah, 5/16. Oh, you got it? Dude, zip up your fly. I said I needed something that was big, not that little thing. I'm a funny guy. Hey, what's wrong with this one? Oh, the seats? I gotta... Well, what do I need to adjust this? What the fuck? Sure, you make a lot of money, they say. Ha ha ha, funny. Who's got the welding rods? Yo, Bird! Yo, Bird! Bird, where the hell are you? You still on lunch, you lazy piece of shit! Shut up! Some people are trying to sleep!
Yeah, my hands are clean. I'm not gonna mess up the paint. It'll buff out.
That's where they were. As a mechanic that's also a YouTuber, I like showing you things. So I'm going to make the simple video because I'm tired and I'm lazy. Now you gotta get some really good gloves because, well, they gotta be hard on one side and, you know, padding doesn't help either. Oh yeah, that's a good glove. Alright, Injury Chan. It ain't a day until somebody loses a finger. But here is what we call the thumb finder. Ah! See? Works every time. Ow, my head. Ah, my finger. Ah, my hair. Oh, you want me to clean out your pipes, ma'am? What the hell did you think I was going to do? I was going to clean out her brake pipes. Take the blue pill or the red pill. Side effects include going down rabbit holes, following certain letters of the alphabet more than the others, believing in aliens, and the truth that frogs have been gay. Always have been. Tastes the same to me! You've got a nut really bad. Things people will do. I've done worse. There's this guy on YouTube. And he always says these weird things. And me, because I'm an impressionable young mind, he says, keep your dick in a vice. So... Oh! Hello, 911? Yeah, I did it again. I listened to somebody on the internet. Yeah, it hurts and it's stuck. I mean, yeah, you know, sooner it'll be better. No, there's no blood, but asbestos. It's good. I think it's a little stale. Oh, Taco Bell. Oh, Roach Coach. Oh! 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 Hey, we're part of the global economy. If it wasn't for mechanics, gastrointestinal doctors wouldn't have anything to do. I got you. Oh, fuck. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. The magic of editing. Be entertained. Ah. I'm a bunny rabbit washing my face. Woof, 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 woof. Can I stop here and go? I want to go home. Come on. Oh. The shit I did for you guys. Where the fuck did I put the... I can still it. God! Who wants to go to strippers?